Welcome back to my bed. We always say we'll never end up here again, and yet we always somehow find ourselves back here. Okay. I'm filming from the bed today because the rest of my room is a disaster. I really need to tidy it up. But until then, we'll film here. Today I want to talk to you about Trash Dandy. Trash Dandy is Victor Lockhart's brand of upcycled clothing. He takes a lot of secondhand stuff and then customizes it, usually with paint. So the stuff I have has been painted with gold fabric paint in some nice delicate patterns, and I'm really excited for you to see it. I have shown some of his stuff before on my Instagram because I have jeans that he customized. So you might be familiar with the brand Trash Dandy. You might be familiar with who Victor Lockhart is because he is a friend of mine and we do a lot of similar stuff here on YouTube, kind of, and on Instagram. So, you know, maybe you've heard these names before and you know what you're in for, or maybe you're brand new to this. If you're brand new to this, hello, welcome. I hope you enjoy what you're about to see. So, he recently released a set of 3 velvet blazers, and the green one caught my eye immediately, obviously, because like dark bottle green and emerald green are like my favourite colours, so I had to have it. So I should say just now that this is not a sponsored video. I bought this jacket with my own money. I wasn't asked to make a video either. I wasn't asked to do any of that. I bought it with my own money and I'm making this video of my own accord. So yes, I am friends with Victor Lockhart, and yes, I am just using my channel to blatantly promote my friends, but hey, at least I'm honest about it. That's, you know, at least I'm telling you that's what I'm doing. So, let's get into it. Let me show you the actual thing. We have the parcel here. It's got wax seals and a little note just for me. It arrived really quickly, but that's because we both live in the UK, so it could get here really fast. I can't give you any information on how long it would take stuff to ship to other countries. But you know, if you're in the UK, it ships really fast. This is everything I hoped it would be. It's nice, soft, real velvet as well. It's you know how real velvet is silky in one direction and then kind of soft, fuzzy in the other direction? But a lot of modern clothes, especially like modern goth brand stuff, not naming any names, but a lot of fast fashion velvet is actually a kind of flocked fabric that is sharp no matter what you do, and it feels horrible. So it looks like velvet, but it feels like licking a hedgehog, and I hate that so much. But this is not that. This is real velvet. It's real soft, silky, fuzzy. Soft, silky, fuzzy. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. So all of this is painted. It's half and half painted. This side is unpainted. This side is painted. Even the inside of it, the lining has been painted as well. On this side. And on this side it has the Trash Dandy logo. This is the best. I love it so much. Does this have pockets? It does have pockets. The pockets are still sewn shut because it's new, but it does have real pockets and I can open them when I want to. No inside pockets, but that's fine. It doesn't need to have. I am going to wear this with so many different outfits. I'm going to show you some just right now in this video. I'm going to coord this in a bunch of different looks, show you them right now. If you want to see more of this, follow me on Instagram and potentially also on TikTok. I do some little outfit fashion videos there as well. I'm going to take this off right now because it's quite warm in this room. Oh, and I can show you the label. It's so exciting. I might try it on with the jeans that I got before, but the jeans are white and gold, and white, green and gold isn't really a colour combination you can wear in public in Glasgow. So yeah, if that's completely confused anyone watching, Google football culture in Glasgow. But so I don't know if I'll ever wear them together around town here, but I'll try them on together for an outfit picture in my own house. That's why I tend to wear white with red and black with green. I have some upcoming videos planned. I'm going to do my traditional end of year wardrobe clear out video where I take everything out of my wardrobe and then put back the stuff I'm keeping and then put the rest of it up for sale. I am probably going to be even more strict than usual this year because I don't know, I just have a whole plan for what I want to do with my wardrobe, and I'll talk to you about that another time. If you want to, you can support me on Patreon. Patrons get early access to all my videos. They also get updates from my art studio, and if you subscribe to a higher reward tier, you get prints every month. Little art prints of things that we've drawn together or that I did on live stream or that I post videos of. And all the prints so far have been building up a story, so they're all little cards with a piece of information on the back, and I'm kind of building up a little story through the Patreon prints. So thank you to the people who have been collecting them. There's more to come. I'm working on December's one right now. What else? I don't know. I hope you're having a good one. I hope you're staying safe out there. I think I've covered everything I need to say. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.